At AI SmartForge, we use the smartest tools to create smarter videos. This AI tool makes your videos in minutes. No editing needed. Open your browser, click the link below this video, and it will take you to Videogen's homepage. On the top right, click Sign Up, choose your Google account, allow access, and you're in. No forms, no waiting. You'll land directly on the dashboard, ready to start. On the dashboard, look to the left and click New Video. This opens the media selection screen. Here you can use stock videos, browse free clips, or let the AI create fresh images from your text prompts. There's even iStock premium footage for professionals. For this tutorial, let's keep it simple and go with AI-generated images. Next, set the clip pace. This controls how fast each scene changes. For YouTube, I recommend fast to keep things dynamic. For calmer content, choose normal or slow. Then, select your video ratio. For YouTube, always use 16:9 landscape. For TikTok or Reels, go with 9:16 vertical. Since this video is for YouTube, I'll go with 16:9. Click Continue. You'll see a box asking, "What is your video about?" Type your main idea, for example, "Top 5 skills for success." Then choose your language. The default is English US. Next, pick your video length: short, medium, long, or very long. Personally, I like to choose very long for more detail. Then click the red arrow, and Videogen instantly generates a complete outline for you. Now, let's add a voice. On the left menu, click AI Voice. Keep the language English US, and then pick the voice you prefer. For example, Matilda is a warm female tone. Will gives you a calm, natural male voice. Choose what fits your audience and click Generate Video.
Success is shaped by a blend of essential skills. First, strong communication allows you to express ideas clearly and connect with others. Second, adaptability helps you navigate change and embrace new opportunities.
Time to polish it. Go to Theme. Upload your logo. Place it neatly in the top corner. Adjust fonts, title styles, and brand colors so your video looks consistent. When you're happy, go to the top right and click Share/Export. Choose 1080p high for YouTube or 4K for maximum quality. Then hit Export. Just give the AI a few seconds to finish processing. Once it's done, click Download to save it to your computer. If you're on the free plan, you might need to upgrade or start a quick demo before downloading. Some accounts don't have the free trial available. After that, your video's ready to go.
Ensures you stay relevant in a changing world. Fourth, time management boosts your productivity and focus. Finally, resilience empowers you to overcome setbacks and keep moving forward.
And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've built a complete video powered by AI. No camera, no expensive gear, no stress. Remember, success isn't one big step. It's the small, consistent actions you take every day. And with tools like Videogen, sharing your message with the world gets so much easier. If you found this tutorial helpful, do me a quick favor. Hit like, subscribe to AI SmartForge, and drop a comment with the words AI Video so I know you'd like to see more guides like this. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.